This is Parkley, and you're listening to Math World. Now, here's a question. Can you guess how the human hand, the petals of certain kinds of flowers, and even some famous painting related mathematically? Well, if you have no idea, our watchers of the day from listener Lucy Rose in Rhode Island will have you. Miss Rose asks, I heard a lot about the Fibonacci sequence lately. What exactly is this? For an answer, we called it the Professor of Mathematics, Dr. James Griggs. Hello, Dr. Griggs. Can you tell us a little about the Fibonacci sequence to answer Miss Rose's question? Well, that great question, especially since the sequence is aroused in so many forms, and many people have no idea about it. It's really frustrating once you're aware of it. First, what a sequence is. It's a series of numbers, and in the sequence, each number is the sum of preceding two numbers. In other words, you add two numbers together to get the next one. Let's look at the start of it. The numbers are 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, and 8. So if we add the first two numbers 1 and 1, we get 2, which is the third number. Then 1 and 2 equal 3, which is the fourth number. Then 2 and 3 equal 5, which is the fifth number, and so continues. So let's see. Each number is the sum of recess two numbers, and the sequence can just go on and on. Yes, that's right. And what's so amazing about this is that sequence shows up around us in so many ways. It appears in the natural world. Natural forms tend to reproduce the sequence. For example, flowers, bicards, and seashells. Look at the petals on flower. They are more likely to be 5 petals than 4. The spirals in the seashell also involve numbers from the sequence. It's not that easy to see as with flowers, but the measurement of spiral or number of a sequence. Some people even mention the human hand when talking about the sequence. We had two hands. Each of them have five fingers, and each finger had 3 parallel separated special knuckles. All the numbers in the sequence. Maybe it's just coincidence or maybe not. And it's not just in the natural world, it's also the art world. It appears a lot of art. Probably the most famous is in the work of Leonardo da Vinci. You see a lot of spirals in his painting, and spirals are the form most associated with the Fibonacci sequence. It also appears in music. One of past species based on this sequence, in a way, a musical part to repeat. Now, it's not clear whether part did this constantly or not. Interesting, who discovered all that? It was discovered by a mathematician in Italy in the early 1200s. His name was Leonardo Pisa, but he called himself Fibonacci because his father's name was Fernandi. Anyway, he was an extraordinary mathematician. He actually introduced the decimal system to all the mathematicians for the time. So mathematicians have known about the sequence for a long time? Yes. Now your listener said that she heard a lot lately about the Fibonacci sequence. It seems like interested in this era kind of come and goes in popularity. Lately, it has been more popular. I think it's great. It's fascinating, and if we get people interested in math and number, then all the better. Is it fascinating? Thank you so much, Dr. Griggs. You're welcome.